Hey folks, you ever buy blinds besides the ones that are very expensive? You can go and buy. You want to buy just a medium price one just to get by. Don't get the ones like these. You see this blind setup? It's got the strings on the outside of the blinds. Okay, you got to get the ones with the string that goes through the middle. And you know why? Let's watch this. Look at this. See how they're off? If you don't have the string going down the middle, these slides can actually slide right out. See that? So after a while, they kind of get unhinged from here. That's holding them, okay? And they slide right out. And then you get the ones that are uneven, and you gotta go and you gotta straighten them out. And over time, you know, the roller up there is gonna get jammed, and now it goes up crooked. Okay, no matter how much you pull down on it, on this side, it's always going to go up crooked. All right, so basically I'm just telling you, if you get blinds, get the ones that have the slots inside and the string goes in. That way, it does not come out on you like this. All right, I'm going to show you the blind here. Same style, probably a different brand, but same color and everything, but I'm going to show it to you once I put it up. All right, like I said, don't get the ones with the strings on the outside, because then these slats will come out. Don't get me wrong, I mean, this is probably great for cleaning. You slide them out, you clean them, you put it back. Because the ones with the strings in the middle, yes, they are a pain in the butt to clean, but it is what it is, all right? I'm gonna show you what these look like one side. Bolt them on. All right, so here's the new slat. The grain is different, but look at the slats, see it? It's got slats in it with a string down the middle, and now it won't slide. Okay, so that means this will be perfectly even on the sides all the way through. All right, that's the difference, people. All right, they still lift up, they turn, but they won't slide out because the slots are in the inside. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, people. Ciao.